from Pearl Cora in Prince Albert, our neighbors to the north. We have a Yamaha generator rated at 3,000 watts. It puts out 3,200 watts for up to 10 seconds. However, it will not start the compressor on a 15,000 BTU air conditioner we have in our RV. What can be done? Well, basically, Pearl, I'd have to do the math on this. I can't remember what the amp draw is on a 15,000 BTU air conditioner, but I have to believe it's probably less than 3,000 watts. I know we used to run a 3,000 watt generator for a 12,500 BTU and have a few watts left over, but we may be at the upper reaches of that generator's output. Still, it should start the generator. It should start the air conditioner if you have enough current and the proper voltage. A couple things to take into consideration is on a generator, you have to have the proper amount of voltage and you have to produce it at the right frequency. The frequency is the hertz. You've heard of the term 60 hertz per second or 60 cycles per second. If the hertz are misadjusted or maladjusted on the generator, and if the voltage is not proper on the output of that generator, then you're going to have operational problems regardless of what you're trying to power up. So it's going to take a technician and a piece of equipment called a load bank to monitor the output of that generator. I would avoid using the generator until you can be assured that indeed the output is 120 volts at approximately 61, 62 cycles per second or hertz per second before the generator is powered up. But it sounds like it could be simply an operational issue or an adjustment issue on the generator.